deeply in nursery class. Be attentive, beta. Look at the board and count the things. What's this? Oh, stars. How many stars are here? One star. One star. And what is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. How many balls are here? One ball. Oh, what is this? Candle. It's candle. Okay. Count the candle. One candle. One candle. One candle. And what is this? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. How many umbrellas are here? One umbrella. How many umbrellas are here? One umbrella. One star, one ball, one candle, one umbrella. One star, one ball, one candle, and one umbrella. Okay. Look at the board. How to write one? How to write one? Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. One star. One ball. One candle. One umbrella. One star. One ball. One candle. One umbrella. How to write one? Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Okay. Now open your books of math. Okay, class, open your books. Okay. Okay, class, look at the page number 2. Oh, what's this? Train. What's this? Train. And look at here. Here's one. One train. One train. One train. One train. What are the spelling of one? O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. One train. One train. One train. Okay. Look here. What's this? Circle the number 1. Where is 1? We have to circle the number 1. What's this? 1. Look at here. 1 is here and 1 is here. So circle the number 1. And where is 1? Here. Circle it. 1. One train. One train. One train. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. One train. One train. Very good. So we have completed the digit 1. Okay, nursery class, beta, now open your maths book on the page number 6. Okay. Look at here. One star, one ball, one candle, one umbrella. And look at here. How many bags are looking here? One. This is one bag. One bag. One bag. One bag. One bag. What's the spelling of one? O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. One bag. One bag. One bag. One bag. What are spelling of one? O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. What's the spelling of one? O-N-E, one. One bag. One bag. One bag. Very good. So we have done our maths work.